Ito yung mga na-discover ko dito. Ayun. Parang wala ako sa Saigon, guys. Merong slide. Sobrang ideal talaga, guys, yung hostel na to. So, dito ako naligo kanina. Doing solo travel is beyond my capacity. Sometimes you have to just start. Take risks. Hey besties, good morning! Finally, my day 1 here in Vietnam, guys. I mean, day 1 as being a solo traveler. Char! So later on, guys, is mag-room tour tayo. Pero ngayon, kakain muna tayo. Actually, it's raining. It's currently 10:32 AM here in Vietnam. Maghahanap lang ako ng pwedeng kainan, guys. And it's raining ng konti. Ito yung neighborhood ko ngayon. Ayan. Maraming accommodation actually, which is great. Pero akala ko merong mga kainan sa baba. Yung may ano din eh, buncha. Diyan na lang kaya ako. Sige. Parang dito na lang ako kakain, guys. Near lang sa aking accommodation. Buncha Nem Wang De. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. But I think diyan na lang ako kakain. Hello? How to order? This one? Thank you. So yun, guys, I'm currently waiting na lang for my order, and yung in-order ko is yung buncha. So ito na yung parang breakfast ko kasi it's currently 10:36 AM and medyo maulan sa labas. Actually, katapat lang naman siya sa aking accommodation. So dito na lang ako kakain. Kasi gutom na talaga. In all fairness, guys, ang ganda ng accommodation ko. Pero ano lang talaga, parang naninibago ako. Kasi naninibago ako na may kahati or ka-share dito sa iisang room. Like, di ba, usually kami dyan is isang room lang talaga. Tapos ngayon, very strange talaga yung mga katabi ko. Tapos, yung pagkarating ko sa aking accommodation is parang nakalimutan ko na female dormitory pala yung binook ko. Naninibago talaga ako, guys, as sabi ko pa nga that time, shucks, ano ba to? Kasi talagang ano, guys, nakakapanibago, especially if you're not used to hostel or I mean dormitory type. Pinili ko naman is female, all female kami sa isang room. I think it would cater up to 8. Thank you. I think it would cater up to 8 packs, pero I think mga 5 lang yata kami sa isang room ngayon. So yun, guys, nandito na pala yung order ko. My food is here, guys. So ito na yung buncha. Ayan. So I think 85,000 Vietnamese dong ito lahat. Maybe after this one, guys, is punta muna ako sa 7-Eleven siguro. Kasi bibili ako ng slippers kasi wala akong slippers. And also tissue. Although meron naman tissue sa accommodation, pero yung pang personal ko lang talaga. Hopefully tama tong ginawa ko. Nakalimutan ko na how to eat buncha. Tingnan nyo, guys, if you are here in Vietnam talaga, marami talagang gulay kasi. Diba? Amazing. Nakaka-healthy talaga dito. Finally, tapos na akong kumain and medyo busog naman siya, guys. And right now, naglalakad na ako kahit maulan. And in all fairness, guys, sobrang ganda ng aking neighborhood. Like, more on Japanese foods, lahat-lahat. Tingnan nyo. Ayan siya. Ayan, ito yung mga na-discover ko dito. Ayan. Parang, kasi Japanese town ako. Ayan o, meron din dito. Kaya pala siguro yung mga, ayan, meron din dyan, Matsuya. Hindi pala siguro medyo more on mga Japanese, Korean yung mga nandun sa Meander. Kasi guys, nagstay ako sa Meander Hostel. I mean, Meander Saigon. Ayan oh, more on talaga mga ano dito guys. Japanese, ganyan. So, hi! Hello, I'm so happy kasi nahanap ko yung mini stop. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Meron din dito. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Parang wala ako sa Saigon guys. Okay guys, ayan, finally may nahanap akong mini stop. Hindi nga lang 7-Eleven, pero dito na lang guys. Ah, malakas na talaga yung ulan. Shucks. Pero I love my accommodation. Kasi yung neighborhood ko guys, sobrang ganda talaga. As in, ayan, we're here sa mini stop. So, maghahanap tayo ng mga essentials. Ito na, may sleepers dito. Outfit of the day. Char. I don't know yung nakita niyo ako. Hello. So, ayan na nga. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, guys. Naglalakad pa naman ako. Ayun, tingnan niyo. Oh, it's raining. Pero sobrang ganda talaga ng neighborhood ko, guys. Ayan. So, nandito lang ako sa somewhere na may spa. Ayan. Ayan siya. Sana hindi ako paalisin dito. Sana titigil na yung ulan. Sobrang lakas. My gosh. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kamudi yung weather dito. Kung kanina, sobrang lakas. Ayan. Huminto na siya at saka merong sun. Oh, diba? Bongga bells. Tara. Tuloy na tayo. So, since wala akong nabili na sleepers doon, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, may araw talaga. Like, ilang minutes lang ha? Wow. So, pupunta na ako sa 7-Eleven. I think dito lang siya banda. Not sure. Ay, mayroong GS25. Okay, dyan na lang siguro ako bibili guys ng sleepers. Dito na ako sa GS25. Sana meron sleepers. Finally guys, may dito 7-Eleven. And meron na akong nakitang sleepers. Pero, grabe naman yung logo. Uy, 7-Eleven talaga. Tingnan nyo. Ayan siya. Should I buy? Pero cute naman. 59,000 Vietnamese dong. Cute naman siya. For ano lang talaga to para sa hostel. Para may magamit lang ako. Oh, should I? Tapos meron pa silang mga cups oh. I mean hat. I think I'll buy na lang this one. Sige. Kasi wala nang ibang design. Tapos ito, parang ang plain lang. Tapos ang laki pa. Ito, malaki naman siya. 39. Sa akin kasi is 37 or 38 lang. But I think I'll go na this one. And siguro kakain muna ako dito guys. Kasi parang nakukulangan ako kanina. Yung kinain ko. Guys, grabe. Nalilito ako. Kung ano yung kakainin ko. Or I think ito na lang. Pero ang laki. Meron din ganito. Ay, I think ito. I think ito na lang. Sige, ito na lang. Guys, update. Dito na talaga ako sa 7-Eleven. And umorder lang ako ng konti. Siyang tteokbokki something. And then I have here my matcha latte. Tapos yung sleepers pala, dito ko binili sa 7-Eleven. Sobrang 7-Eleven logo talaga yung sleepers ko. And yung total na nabayaran ko is 126,000 Vietnamese dong. So diba guys, sobrang mura lang talaga dito. So, kakain muna ako dito guys. Chill lang. Before tayo uuwi para mag-room tour na. Hello? Ha? 7-Eleven. Uy, Bipe, nindot kayo dito eh. Ako po dito oh.
Ano na sa ko sa gig ko kami, masuyo ako eh.
Uy, Bipe, nice lagi kayo dito ng neighborhood. Wala ko wala sa Vietnam, char. Niinit na diri, niinit na diri.
Init ya?
Iwan man to, karon init na. Yes, you go as in As in, mura ko wala sa Vietnam, char. But I belong, say hi sa camera. Ay, sa vlog.
Hello.
Finally guys, kakain ako. Tapos kami mag-video call ni Jan. Sobrang heavy chika. Yan guys, so tingnan niyo yung aking background. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang init na. As in, parang hindi galing sa ulan kanina. Ayan siya oh. Grabe. And again, I have here my matcha latte. And then, eto, yung food ko. Tteokbokki at saka may egg lang. Hey besties! I finally made it here na sa aking accommodation. So, nandito na tayo mismo sa Meander. I'm currently staying here at Meander, Saigon. Parang siyang malapit lang talaga siya sa mga ano guys, parang Korean town, something. Parang sa Japanese and Korean na mga town guys. As in, sobrang ganda ng neighborhood niya. And then, ito yung forma niya guys. So, tingnan niyo sa labas. I'm currently here outside pala. Ayan. So, merong slide. You can actually slide here. I don't know if kaya ko. Pero we will see. Ayan o. Ito yung katapat sa aming building. Ayan. So, ito yung forma niya. I think yung co-working space, something. Ayan. May logo lang. And then here. Ayan. You can actually chill here. Pero parang smoking area pala to guys. Ayan. Diyan din. Pwede din. So tara guys, i-tour ko na kayo kung saan ako nagstay. Actually, nagstay lang ako sa female dormitory. So, lahat kami sa isang room is female. Although, meron namang option na parang mixed dormitory. Pero I'm not comfortable with that. So, ayun, yung pinili ko is female dormitory. And then, nakakapanibago siya guys, actually. Kasi kagabi guys, is, parang nakalimutan ko na dormitory pala yung binook ko. And then, ayun, parang not naman culture shock, pero parang nakalimutan ko i-anticipate na dormitory pala siya. So, which means you have to be considerate sa mga kasama mo kasi hindi lang ikaw yung nandun sa room mismo. So, you need to be careful. I mean, no extra noise talaga as in. So, dumating ako kagabi, I mean, mga 1 AM na yata. And then, talagang midnight na siya guys, as in. So, ayun, medyo challenging lang yung pagkuha ko sa aking luggage. Medyo nahihiya kasi ako guys kagabi para sana kunin ko yung aking mga gamit. Because I really need to change my clothes. Tapos, you need to freshen up kasi nga galing pa tayo airport kagabi. Yun lang talaga yung parang kakapanibago. Unlike kasi if sa private room ka na ikaw lang mismo is kahit maingay ka, okay lang kasi wala kang kasama sa isang room. Unlike if ka dormitory, medyo challenging siya nung pagdating ko kagabi kasi nga I really need to unpack my luggage para makuha ko yung clothes ko kasi I need to change nga my clothes and then I need to get my skincare kasi guys sobrang lagpot na talaga yung feeling ko para makapag half bath ako. Pero natagumpayan ko naman guys, as in extra careful lang talaga, bawal maingay. So later, if room tour ko kayo, baka whisper and hopefully maintindihan nyo guys. So tara, let's go na. But before that guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung building mismo talaga. Ito yung neighborhood natin guys, ayan. Straight lang kayo dyan guys, tapos pa left side is nandyan na yung parang magandang town, yung parang mga Japanese Korean. And then, ito yung building natin. Ayan, sobrang taas niya guys. Meander, Saigon. Ayan, di ba guys? Sobrang aesthetic, no? So, nabook ko lang to sa Agoda. Tara, room tour na tayo. Let's go! Pagkalagpas nyo dito guys, is eto na, bubungad sa inyo. Reception. Ayan. Reception, tapos may co-working space. May kitchen, tapos meron ding ref. So, standby muna tayo dito guys. Char. And dyan pala is merong elevator. So, meron din ganito pala sila. Saigon mini guide. Oh, nice. Kuha tayo. Free to take naman. Hop on, hop off. Sobrang ideal talaga guys yung hostel na to. If like, example, kayo parang work from home or parang you can bring your laptop here kasi meron talaga silang co-working space which is amazing and mostly yung mga check-in dito is yan, parang work and travel balance, work and life balance, ganyan. Travel plus work equals work and life balance. So, if you are going to co-working space, click M. Kanina nandito tayo sa ground floor, or also known as the reception. Outfit of the day. Char. Ooh. So, we are now here, guys. Ayan. You can actually work here. So nice. Amazing. Ayan. Ayan yung slide. Kanina nandyan tayo. So, you can also read some books here. I don't know if... What do you mean by book swap? I really don't know. So, eto yung forma niya, guys. Ayan. If you are here at the co-working station or co-working space, sobrang ganda niya, guys, as in. You can work here or anything. Basta sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, if you are one you can bring your work outside the Philippines and you want to travel, tapos yung hostel nyo ganito, parang ang ganda lang talaga. Like, ang sarap magtrabaho. Char. Diba, guys? Amazing. And look at my view. Yung slide. Tapos, dyan pala, guys, may room dyan na you can go there. Example, like you have meeting, ganon. Parang you have your own private room. I don't know lang if it has fee or baka libre lang. I don't know. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? If dito kayo nag-work, amazing. Meron parang locker dyan, guys. So, ayan. I think you can store your laptop and all dyan. And I guess meron yung bayad. Feeling ko meron. So, punta na tayo sa room natin mismo. Let's go! Okay, guys, tara na sa ating room mismo. Let's go. Second floor. Ayan. So, diba, guys, amazing. So, ayan, guys, if you have the privilege talaga na magdala ng laptop niyo for work and you want to have a vacation, dito, guys, you can stay here talaga. So, nandito na tayo sa second floor. Room number ko is 202. But before that, ayan, may nakalagay, female dorm. So, meron lang kaming keycard na binigay sa amin. And you can tap that one. You can tap your keycard here para mag-open siya. But before that, punta muna tayo sa CR. Ayan. So, going here is merong CR. Shared bathroom. Tapos, may ano pala dito, guys, so, water dispenser. You can refill your water here. Tapos, tara. Dito na tayo sa CR. Diba, guys? Sobrang aesthetic. Ayan. Hello. It's me. So, yun, guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng CR nila. As in, although, ano siya, guys, shared CR, pero sobrang linis talaga niya. As in, sobrang comfy. I mean, parang homey talaga. Tapos, sobrang bango. At saka may speaker pa. Ayan. I think speaker yan. May music, guys. So, mirror here. And more mirror here. Ayan. You can wash your face there. Para mag-skincare kayo. Ayan. Tapos, guys, ito pala yung dryer. Hair dryer. Libre to. You can use that one. Anytime. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman, guys, is yung shower nila. Ito yung shower nila, guys. So, dito ako naligo kanina. And sobrang ganda lang. I mean, for me, guys, staying in a dormitory or hostel, ang linis talaga niya guys, as in. Ayan. So, merong shower, tapos merong shower gel, shampoo, tsaka conditioner. Ayan. Separate pala yung shower at tsaka yung toilet. You can close the door here and put all your things here. Ayan. Tapos, meron namang lagayan for your towel. So, yung towel pala guys, libre. You can change it daw every day. Tapos, may trash can. Then, yan. Dang, diba? Sobrang ganda. Another mirror here. Tapos, dito guys, is yung toilet na talaga. Ayan. And, nakaka-amaze kasi Japanese yung toilet niya. Diba? Naka-Japanese, ano siya, Japanese toilet. And in all fairness na, first time kong matry to. Diba? Sobrang linis niya. Tapos may bidet. Ayan. So comfy talaga guys, as in. Okay guys, proceed na tayo sa ating room. Let's go! So, ito yung hallway going to our room. So, dyan yung elevator. Then, ito na yung room namin. Or yung room ko. Ito yung keycard ko. So, you can tap this one. Ayan. Luggage storage. Ayan. Here's my bag. Dito guys, each one of us is merong ganito. Ayan. Lagayan ng storage and all. So, ito yung keycard ko. So, you can tap this one. Para siyang locker. Ayan. So, nandito yung mga important things ko. Ito yung check-in luggage ko. Ayan. So, you can store all your important things here. Ayan. Diba? Amazing. Bongga bells. So, dito guys, it's yung aming, ano na talaga, bed. Let's go. Huwag tayong maingay. So, eto guys, yung bed ko mismo. Ayan. Dito ako na-assign sa lower, number 2. Okay, let's go. So, ano talaga siya guys, naka-private talaga kasi you can close the curtain or open. Diba? Ayan. Medyo ngit-ngit pa. Okay, let's go. Sobrang cute. Sana guys, naintindihan niyo ako. Sobrang cute nila guys. As in, parang siyang Japanese style, no? Yun yung kama ko guys. And then yung bed ko. So, dyan nakalatag yung luggage ko. Nakalatag din yung mga skincare ko, ganyan. Para hindi na akong kukuha ng mga gamit ko sa luggage talaga. So, yan lang. Although, yung mga clothes ko nandyan pa. So, ito yung hand carry luggage ko. Dyan ka na lang nilagay. Para anytime may kukunin ako. I don't need to go na sa aking locker. So, yung nakaganda niya guys kasi meron siyang lagayan dyan. Tapos, sobrang spacious. Tapos, dito guys, you can store your things din. Ayan. Dito naman may outlet. Tapos ito yung switch ng lights. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Amazing. So basically, ito talaga yung forma niya. Diba? Cute. So, ayan guys. Ito yung aking accommodation for 12 nights. And in all fairness, ang ganda. Medyo ano lang, naninibago lang ako kagabi. But, this So, ayun na guys, nakapag-room tour na tayo or hotel or hostel tour. And so far guys, I love the location-wise. Amazing kasi sobrang dami talagang magagandang mga puntahan. And then, it is located pala guys in District 1. And then, if also you are into Korean or Japanese, something like that, sobrang may enjoy kayo sa neighborhood na to guys, as in parang nakaka-energize siya. Nakaka-energize. Oh my god, I don't know how to describe it guys. But anyway, I'm so happy with this accommodation in all fairness. And sorry guys if medyo hindi ako makapagsalita dun sa loob kasi talagang respect everyone's talaga space. So dapat hindi ka maingay guys kasi yung iba baka natulog, ganyan bitaw. So ayun, yun lang talaga yung cons niya if you are staying in a hostel. Kaya, nandito ako ngayon sa bathroom para makapag-talk ako sa inyo guys. And so far, I love my first day here. Nag-ikot lang talaga ako dito sa aking neighborhood. And so far naman, nag-enjoy talaga ako guys. Actually, nilaan ko talaga na yung first day ko is parang chill lang, familiarize yung neighborhood ko. If you are talaga a solo traveler guys, and you are looking for a hostel, you might also consider this hostel guys kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga. For me nagagandahan talaga ako guys. Also, if you are pala guys working from home tapos you have the privilege talaga na magdala ng yung laptops and all, so you can consider this as well kasi open sila for co-working spaces. Meron talaga silang ganyan, which is plus points. Although, I didn't bring my laptop. Also pala guys, kanina no, nag-shower ako. Kasi first experience ko siya. Sobrang ganda talaga. I mean, for me parang comfy lang talaga siya guys. Parang nasa bahay ka lang tapos sobrang linis. Yung sa toilet pala guys, nagandahan ako kasi Japanese yung parang toilet niya. And upon sitting nyo guys, mainit yung toilet nyo guys, which is, ang ganda pala sa feeling mo. First time ko kasi makapag-try ng Japanese toilet. So yun, ang ganda pala sa feeling kapag medyo may heater bitaw once na umupo ka sa toilet. So yun lang. And then, kagabi pala guys is parang naninibago ako kasi I still don't know the technique if you are doing a hostel or yung dormitory type. But anyway, nakaka-adjust ako and so far I'm loving it naman. Nag-enjoy ako in all fairness. Yung parang bed dito niya guys, ang ganda niya kasi malaki yung parang space niya guys na pwede mo lagyan for your luggage. Maliit mong luggage. Plus points din yung may parang storage yan na lock or locker para dun mo ilagay yung mga important things mo. And then sa baba is you can store your check-in luggages. So I think that's it guys. Na-discuss ko naman siya and I will put the link on the description box below guys. If in case you are also looking for an accommodation here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So this is located pala guys sa District 1. Hey guys, it's currently 6:28 PM here in Saigon and kakagaling ko lang sa Family Mart guys. And supposedly maghahanap sana ako ng Watson's nearby pero parang naligaw ako guys. Kaya bumalik na lang ako sa daan. So, eto na yung dinner ko. Doon na lang ako bumili for my dinner. So I have here po bang homai. Para siyang carbonara or lasagna pala. Ayan siya. I also have here dumpling, 4 pieces. So this one is 23,000 Vietnamese dong. And then ito naman is 42,000 Vietnamese dong. And I also have here ganito. Cut the name. Lutang. Ito, 31,000 Vietnamese dong naman. So, maybe tatlo lang yung kakainin ko nito para bukas or baka mamaya if ever gugutumin ako, at least meron akong snacks. Tapos ito, since apat to, so maybe dalawa lang yung kakainin in case of emergency lang. Sure. In case magugutumin. And I also have here Mr. Chef's cheesecake snacks. Maybe tomorrow ito. Then I also have here banana milk and of course water. So tara guys, join me as I will be eating my dinner here lang sa pantry nila. Ayan, ito yung view. They have ref here. I think you can put your foods there if ever you have some food na needed talaga na ilagay sa ref. And meron din sink. You can wash your utensils there. I don't know if pwedeng gamitin yung mga utensils dyan. Not sure. Tapos may refill station lang. Water refilling station. So, join me guys as I eat my first dinner here in Ho Chi Minh as a female solo traveler. Char! Guys, in fairness, parang nabusog na ako. Siguro yung sushi ko parang later na lang to. Kasi parang busog na talaga. Share ko lang. I still can't believe it guys na I'm here doing solo travel. Like, never in my wildest dream. Although, parang I didn't, siguro before I didn't consider doing it. I think since pandemic siguro. Or no, not really since pandemic. After pandemic, doon ko na-realize parang, dati kasi parang I didn't consider doing solo travel kasi parang I'm boring, you know. Matatakot din kasi ako guys, as in. Tapos, basta, parang, although I could say independent ako, pero parang doing solo travel is beyond my capacity. Pero, I'm so happy na na-accomplish ko. Sometimes you have to just start, take risk, and who knows, you might enjoy it. Char! Wala, nag-try na naman ako because I'm just so happy. Thank you, Lord, for the opportunity to travel. And also, John and my family kasi very supportive talaga sila guys. Tapos si John, siya talaga yung nag-push sa akin. Siya talaga yung naniniwala sa akin ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya, deserve niya yung i-shout out. I-shout out? Char. Yan, grabe. It really let me grow as an individual. So if kayo guys, like matagal nang gustong mag-solo travel pero hesitant kayo, I think you should try it talaga. Kung not now, when? Not naman talaga totally go for international travel talaga. If parang overwhelming pa sa inyo, why not start sa mga locals or either in the city lang, ganun. Sometimes you have to, do it scared, do it alone, do it unsure, just do it. O diba parang Nike, just do it. Guys, I'm currently here at the CR. As in, dito lang talaga ako makapagsalita ng malakas kasi nga, since dormitory ako, so parang minimal voice lang talaga. Bawal tayong mag-ingay doon. And, di ba guys, kanina, nag-dinner ako. Tapos, umakyat pala ako. Hindi na ako naka-update sa inyo. Umakyat na ako kasi nag-half bath, freshen up. Kasi I want to edit a video. Tapos, after nung nag-half bath ako guys, John chatted me na naglinog daw. I mean, nag-earthquake sa Cebu. And sobrang lakas guys. Tapos, parang I think sa Northern Cebu yung epicenter. Tapos, grabing aftershocks. As in, I remember, I think, I forgot ba what year yun. Yung parang sobrang lakas din that time dun sa Cebu. And then, maraming aftershocks, guys. Sobrang nakakatakot talaga. Parang nakaka-trauma bitaw as in. Kanina pala is nag-video call kami sa aking family at saka ni John. And thank God, safe naman sila. Pero yun nga, marami pa talagang aftershocks. Guys, please help us pray. Sana ligtas lang talaga lahat. And yung pala guys, yung church pala dun sa Bantayan Island or Daan Bantayan yata, sobrang nagiba talaga as in. Sa second floor din sa SM Consolacion is parang nasunog siya guys. I think dahil dun sa earthquake, something like that. So guys, keep safe everyone in Cebu. Keep safe. And may tsunami alert pa pala guys. Grabe. Parang kinakabahan din ako. As in, Baka possible, no? Kasi ako. Knock on wood, knock on wood. Ay, hindi to wood. Ito. Knock on wood. Matutulog na sana ako eh. I mean, mag-i-edit. Pero yun nga, I keep refreshing lang yung newsfeed ko, guys. Please, ma-update ako. Kasi nandito ako sa Vietnam and wala ako sa family ko ngayon. Let's pray na sana ligtas lang lahat. And siguro ngayon, guys, is babalik na ako sa loob. I'll try my best to edit. It's currently 9 PM here in Ho Chi Minh. So, 11 PM na ngayon sa Pinas and lahat ng tao, like literally lahat ng tao sa Visayas is hindi pa natutulog kasi nga meron pa talagang mga aftershocks. Nakakatakot as in. So yun guys, I think I will end my video here guys sa aking first full day here in Ho Chi Minh / room tour ng aking accommodation. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.